So now hi guys, we'll see about what are downcasting. So how to do downcasting. So last video only try to do downcasting, but it is not possible. So there is a slight changes in the syntax. So then we can do the downcasting. So first, without doing the upcasting, you don't go for a downcasting. It is not possible. You are going to get the error. So before doing a downcasting, you have to do the upcasting first. So we'll start with the same example will do, and we'll do the downcasting. So we'll start with our demonstration of downcasting. So create a class. So class name I will use animal 2, animal 1. So now in this I have one class, one variable. We'll take a same variable, string, color I will take just, and I have a method. So method name will take void. So we'll use nature as a method name, caps lock of nature as a method name. Okay, print the statement here. Oh god, println. What I am going to print is animal 1 class, method. Yes. So next we'll create a one more class fish extends our animal class 1. So same thing will happen. So now we'll change the variable name here. One more variable I have, string. Rather than variable, take another method, void food. System dot out dot println eating. So eating statement I am giving here. So now we'll inherit a method from what? Superclass. Just inherit a method. Just I am inheriting a method. So inheriting method, inheriting. So which method you are going to inherit? Void nature. Change the implementation now. System dot out dot println fish class method, and with the semicolon. So this is what about what my food class. So now I need a one more class for what? Main method class. I will give name as a downcasting. So in this I have a main method, public static void main method. So it contains the array of type string. So now we'll do the first upcasting. So upcasting in the sense I am just changing the object from child class to super class. So now new, no need of any extra codes here. Just as you will create a class like that, you have to create. So now done upcasting. So now we'll try for a downcasting. So downcasting, how it should be done? So you are going to assign for a fish f equals to in bracket for which you are going to convert, that is I am going to convert for a fish class, and already upcasting done, that is you are just assigning that variable. So this is how we are upcasting. This is what our downcasting. Okay, so now only upcasting is done, I want to downcasting, then only you can do downcasting. Can't done be alone, so you need to do upcasting, then you can possible of. So now call the method. So f dot, so which method you are going to call? Nature. Yes. So now f dot, I will assign the color for what? Black color I have assigned. So now I will assign the name also, that is present in your child class. So name I will go give is ABC. Okay, ABC. So these are the variables I want to access. Okay, and one more method is there, f dot, one more method present in your child class, that is show. Save. So save which method name you are going to give, that is upcasting, because it has a main method. So first I need to save the file. Control V dot Java, save. So now we'll run the program. Just copy the file name and its name as class name, Java C class name dot what, Java. Run. So f show error. So f name, it's showing the error. It is a variable of what, our this class, which class? Child class. So it is not getting, and this is also present in child, we are not getting. So only a super class values you are going to get, members you are going to use. So these are the members of super class. Java file name. So first class method in the sense what? Fish class method. So only you can execute the members of your fish class. Fish class. So only I can execute this one, and I can print the variables of that. Only upcasting in the sense of, just run the program. Need to change. So here only I will change, it will make it as a f rather than changing all. So now only change the variable. So f dot show is present in your child class. This is not possible. So it's same error showing for your both upcasting and downcasting. And any other error, it's showing the error for name also. Name and show, it is not working for. Control Z. Showing the same error for F. So if I not possible to get the data. Okay, that time you only get a superclass data. So this is about upcasting and downcasting. In next video we'll see with some other concept. So till then practice these programs.